Want to know how to enhance your audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So, it's super simple and only a minute, so let's get straight to it. So, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and now once you've done that, here you should simply double click to select the entire audio. So, once you've selected the entire audio right here, just simply towards effect on top, and now once you've headed on to effects, select volume and compression, and then select normalize for stop. Now just simply normalize your audio, first things first, and next thing just simply hit towards any EQs that you want to enhance your audio with. Just simply hit towards effect and select EQ and filters and select any one of these. I'll suggest a filter curve EQ or a graph EQ. So simply hit towards effect, go to EQ and filters and select graphic EQ right here. So you can just simply adjust it accordingly. I'll go into you and then select apply, and you're good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.